Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to paste data on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, open up any document. So at first, if I select any data from here and then copy this data, now you can use three methods to paste your data on Excel. So for the first method, you have to use keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl plus V from your keyboard and that's it. You can see it's pasted successfully. If I do it once again, just press Ctrl plus V from your keyboard. It's done. Now for the second method, just select any cell or row or column and then right click on mouse, and here you can see paste options. Just click on paste and that's it. You can see your data has been pasted successfully. Now for the third method, just select any cell, row or column again and then click on home tab, and here at the first on the left corner you can find paste option. Just click on paste and it's done. And that is how you can paste data on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.